Well, here is Tuesday, 13th of October. First time I've been out in 2.5 months since I crashed. Bones are pretty much healed up. Got some muscle and nerve damage in the shoulder. That can take almost a year to get better. Fortunately, winter is coming on. Unfortunately, winter is coming on. Because it's getting chilly. It's about 40 degrees right now, and the snow is coming down the mountains. And I'm still not up to doing any roof riding. It's just going to be a short and slow trip. Kind of break myself back in. See what develops. There's a couple other people out here. Gotta enjoy it while you can. This is the first day in about a month it hasn't rained. And we might have one more day, but we'll see. Yeah, all the leaves blown off and rained off the trees, carpeting the whole place. Smells good out here. Sure beats a stuffy old house. Didn't know if I was going to be able to make this trip because this weekend the brakes on the truck seized up. I ain't going to complain. That's only the second time that's happened in 20 years. Let's see. Right or left? Go up the hill, top of the world, enjoy the view. Kind of frosty on my fingers, and for some reason the heat demon ain't working. Haven't used it since last winter, so who knows. Check that over one of these days. Well, should I? Or shouldn't I? Now, play it safe on this recovery ride. Stick to the main trails. Well, here's them other folks up here. Say howdy. Howdy. Oh, you can turn them loose.
What's that?
You can turn them loose.
Not usually super friendly.
I'm dog friendly. Whew. What a beautiful day. After all this damn rain. How's my buddy there? This is the first time I've been out in 2.5 months. This is my recovery ride.
Yeah.
Ah, beautiful day up there. The other folks just enjoying the day. I head up to the lake. I'm feeling pretty good. Take a tool up this way. Should have worn my cold weather goggles, the anti-fog lenses. But no big deal, as long as I'm moving them good. Well, this is the hardest part of this trail, up over the rock pile. Bouncy, bouncy. Stretch things out. wasn't too bad, except when the arm goes to full extension. But I got to do that anyway. All this rain, let's see how the mud hole's doing. Yeah, it's up a little bit. And a little skim ice on it. Get my feet up off the floor here. Yep, just a little bit over the floorboards. Water must have been running through here, a little driftwood. Not from the lake, coming down off the trail. Oh, what a beautiful sight. Yeah, I've got some skim ice on the lake. It's all downhill from here. Got driftwood around. Well, I'm going to call her quits right here. Take a little whiz and water break. Head on home. I don't know if you can hear it in this video, but the icebergs are grinding away against each other out there. A lot of crunching. Snow is definitely coming down. Haven't been able to see that quite a while because of all the clouds and rain. Oh, there was a big crunch over there. Yeah, this water must have been way up, so all the driftwood threw in here. Well, enjoy it while we can. Now, back through the mud hole. to go through there. But I'm going to be cautious. I just love riding through these flourished up parts of the trail, the moss, the sun shining through. These cameras can't even come close to showing the gorgeous green. Well, back through the woods. The final. I wouldn't trade anything in the world